What if your bank account grew while you slept? Not from a windfall, not from luck, from systems you built, that run without you, that earn without you, that produce value while you're unconscious. This sounds like a fantasy. For most people it is, because most people trade time for money. Stop trading. Money stops. Sleep. Money stops. Vacation. Money stops. But there's a different model, one where money is produced by assets and systems, not by your presence, not by your hours, not by your attention. And in 2026, building that model has never been more accessible. This video covers 10 specific ways to generate income while you sleep. Some require money to start. Some require only time. All of them require a system, and all of them work, while you don't. The first way, the simplest, the most proven. Index fund investing. Here's how it earns while you sleep. You invest money into a fund. That tracks the overall market. S&P 500, total market. Global index. The fund holds hundreds of companies, all working, all producing, all growing, while you do nothing. The historical average return of the S&P 500 is approximately 10% per year. Adjusted for inflation, roughly 7%. $10,000 invested today, at 7% real return, in 10 years becomes $19,672. In 20 years becomes $38,697. In 30 years becomes $76,123. From zero additional work, zero additional decisions, zero additional time. The money worked while you slept, every night, for 30 years. How to start. Any major brokerage, Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, open an account. Buy a total market index fund, set up automatic monthly contributions, and then do nothing. Let time work. The second way. Dividend stocks. Companies that pay you simply for owning their shares, every quarter. Whether you worked that quarter or not. Whether you even thought about investing that quarter or not. Just for owning. Here's how the math works. A dividend yield of 4% annually. On $50,000 invested, that's $2,000 a year. $166 a month. From owning, not from doing. And as the investment grows, as dividends are reinvested, the income compounds. $166 a month becomes $200, then $250, then $400, without additional investment, just compounding, just time, just sleep. The third way, digital products. You already know this model. Create once, sell forever. But here's the sleeping part specifically. A digital product listed on Gumroad sells at 3 a.m. while you're asleep. The platform processes the payment, delivers the product, sends the confirmation. You wake up with money in your account from a sale that happened while you were unconscious. That's not metaphor. That's literally how it works. $37 template, sold at 3:17 a.m. to someone in a different time zone who found your product through a search, clicked, bought, and moved on with their life while you slept through the entire transaction. The fourth way, YouTube ad revenue, old videos earning new money. Here's the sleeping mechanism. You post a video, people watch it. YouTube plays ads. You earn. Now here's the passive part. That same video gets watched tomorrow, and next week, and next year, by people who just discovered your channel, by people searching for the topic you covered, by people YouTube recommends it to. Each view generates ad revenue, whether you posted that day or not. whether you're awake or not. A video with 10,000 views a month in a finance niche earns between $150 and $220 a month from ad revenue alone, from one video that you posted once and then slept many times while it kept earning. First objection. Index funds and dividends require capital. I don't have $50,000 to invest. The investment-based methods aren't available to me, and capital requirements are real. Index funds work better with more money. Dividends earn more with larger positions. But here's the path that works without existing capital. Start with the zero capital methods: digital products, YouTube, affiliate marketing. These build income without initial investment. Then redirect a portion of that income into investment-based methods. The digital product earning $300 a month invests $100 of that into index funds. Every month. Automatically. After 5 years, that $100 a month has grown to $7,347. Now producing dividends. Now earning while sleeping. From 2 streams instead of 1. The zero capital methods fund the capital required methods. Over time. Systematically. The fifth way. Affiliate marketing. The sleeping mechanism here is specific. Content you create today gets found by search engines months or years from now. Someone searches a question at midnight, finds your article, reads it, clicks your affiliate link, buys the product. You earn a commission at midnight while you slept from content created months ago. That's genuinely passive, not eventually passive, literally passive. Right now, every night, for every piece of content you've created, that ranks in search. The sixth way. Print on demand. You design something once, upload it to Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, Printify. Someone finds it, orders it, the platform prints it, ships it, handles everything, and sends you a percentage, while you slept through the entire process. The sleeping mechanism. Your designs are available 24 hours a day, in every time zone, to every buyer, without you being present for a single transaction. A design uploaded on Monday sells to someone in Australia on Wednesday at 2 a.m. your time. While you're asleep, money arrives. You wake up. Account is slightly larger from a transaction you didn't participate in. The seventh way. Automated email sequences. Here's the model. Someone subscribes to your newsletter. An automated sequence begins. Email 1 sent immediately. Email 2 sent 3 days later. Email 3 sent a week later. Each email contains value and strategically placed affiliate links or product recommendations or your own offerings, all automated, all scheduled, all running without you. The subscriber joins at 11 p.m., gets the welcome email at 11 p.m., opens the affiliate link at 11:30 p.m., buys the product. You earn the commission at 11:30 p.m. while you slept from a sequence you set up once, months ago. Still running, still earning, every time someone new subscribes. Second objection. Making money while you sleep sounds like a get-rich-quick promise. Real income requires real work. There's no such thing as truly passive income. And you're partially right. There is no income that requires zero work. Ever. Digital products require creation work. YouTube requires content work. Affiliate marketing requires content work. Email sequences require setup work. None of these are effortless, but here's the distinction that matters. Active income requires ongoing work for ongoing income. Stop working. Income stops. Passive income requires upfront work for ongoing income. Stop working. Income continues. The work is real. The question is when you do it. Before the income, or simultaneously with it. Passive income front-loads the work, so that the earning happens later, without additional effort. That's not too good to be true. That's just a different sequence. Work first. Earn later. Continuously. The 8th way, licensing your skills. Do you know how to do something valuable? Code. Design. Write. Teach. Analyze. You can package that skill into a course, a template, a system, and license it to others who pay to access it. Repeatedly. A course priced at $197, selling 5 copies a month, $985 a month, from a course recorded once, running on autopilot, on Teachable, Gumroad, your own site, earning while you sleep, every month. The 9th way, high-yield savings accounts, not glamorous, not exciting, but genuinely passive. Regular savings accounts earn 0.5%. High-yield savings accounts earn 4% to 5% annually. On $20,000, that's $800 to $1,000 a year. $66 to $83 a month from doing nothing, just parking money in a better account. Small, but real, and completely effortless. The definition of earning while sleeping. The 10th way, and the one that ties everything together. Building a system that combines multiple streams. Index funds earning, digital products selling, YouTube videos accumulating views, affiliate links converting, email sequences running, each one small, each one independent, together producing something significant, something that earns every hour, every day, every night, while you sleep, while you live, while you build the next thing. That's the entire model, not one stream, a system of streams, each running automatically, each contributing quietly, together making sleep profitable. 10 ways. Some require money, some require only time. All require a system, and all of them work while you don't. The goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to build something that earns without your constant presence. Start with one, the simplest one available to you right now. Build it. Let it run. Then build the next. Because the person who sleeps while earning didn't find a shortcut. They built a system, one stream at a time, until the streams became a river, and the river never sleeps. The system is simple. Build it once. Let it run. The decision is yours.